Okay, so what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna have one of our videographers, Trevor, call 3 of the top shops I know of and get estimates and kind of look at how they answer the phone, and hopefully we could take some tips away from the way they do things. So he's gonna be calling from his phone. It's obviously gonna be him so that there's no chance of them recognizing us from the Tinstitute. And then he's gonna be actually getting a quote on his car. And the reason why I wanted him to call was because he's gonna basically ask questions just like a genuine customer would, because he's really not in the industry. Again, he's one of our videographers. So let's go ahead and start with the first one.
To serve you better, this call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
Thank you for calling Mike's Tint Shop. We are a full custom shop offering vehicle wraps, paint protection, ceramic coating, window tinting, and custom paintwork. We look forward to working on your next project. Press 1 for automotive window tinting and vehicle wraps. Thank you for calling automotive window tinting and vehicle wraps. Please wait while we connect you to the next available agent.
Good for them, they're really, really busy.
Thank you for calling Mike's Tint Shop in Orange. Can you please hold?
Yes.
Thank you.
Wow. They're slammed. So on our phone system, we're actually adding a commercial right here. So instead of just listening to boring music, we're going to be educating our customers on different services that we offer. Hopefully, we don't have customers on hold this long, because I think most people, if they weren't filming a YouTube video, would have moved on by now. So for the purpose of the video, we will keep waiting just to see if he does remember to come back or if we get forgotten about.
We're at 2 minutes. We're at 3 minutes.
I just want to see if he remembers to come back at this point.
Does he actually think that someone's going to be this patient? This is one of your top-rated tint shops?
I personally didn't like the automated girl's voice with that heavy accent.
Was it Australian?
To me, it just doesn't sound realistic. All right, well, I think anyone would have moved on by now.
Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Hey, I was wanting to get my car tinted.
Okay. What are we checking out? Or are we checking out like a sedan, SUV, truck?
Sedan.
Sedan, so starting price for those for the 4 front, or are we checking out like 2 front roll-ups, or doing like all 4 doors, back, rear?
We'll do all 4 doors and back rear.
Okay, so starting price for that is $250. That's our basic package, and then we from there it goes up by $100.
Okay. So what makes you guys different from other tint shops?
Well, I mean, we use Lumar, which is the top notch of every single package that we carry, or actually just the only package that we carry. But any tint product is Lumar. And honestly, just like how we make sure that whatever warranty that you get, we make sure we fulfill that. Because like if you had a bubble or anything, you come in after 2 weeks of what the process time is, making sure that everything heals with the sun sun hitting, the tint is stretching and sticks. That will actually help out with everything for your windows. But if anything were to happen after 2 weeks and you saw a bubble or anything, we're more than happy to take off and retint within the same day.
Well, I'm going to call around and get some other price quotes, and then I'll probably give you guys a call back to schedule an appointment.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, give us whatever you need, and then if you have any other questions, feel free to call my name. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
So I think it's clear to say that anyone that practices overcoming the basic objection, you guys, the objection is always the same. I'm going to call around and get some more price quotes. It's like, it's not hard to practice or train for what you know is coming. It's like if you knew the exact punch was coming every time.
Yeah.
Could you learn how to block it? It's the same objection every single time. No one, not one person tried to overcome the objection of, I want to keep calling around and get some more price quotes. So, you know, one way to do that is by simply, blatantly, and we talked about this on the coaching call on Tuesday, blatantly asking, if you don't mind me asking, what is it that you're looking for? Are you not excited about those prices? Like, just straight up asking, what are you looking to get it in sooner? Are you looking to get the windshield done? Like, what do you need to call around for, basically? Obviously, you wouldn't say, what do you need to call around for, but asking, what is it that you're looking for as you continue to call around? I like that. what is it that you're looking for as you continue to call around? Are you looking for just a cheaper price? Well, no. And then now you're back in the conversation.
Hey, I was wanting to get my car tinted.
Okay, have you already got prices from us?
No, I've not got any prices from you guys.
Okay, do you have tint on your vehicle now?
Just factory.
You mean privacy tint?
Yes.
Okay, what's the year, make, and model of your car?
It's a 2019 Honda Civic Sport. Hello?
Hello.
It's a two-door, correct?
No, 4-door.
You provided that there's absolutely no tint on your vehicle. We have 3 different tints. It's like a good, better, best. Our classic is our dyed film. It's our least heat resistant. It's 300 plus tax. The next one up from that is our single layer ceramic. It's 528 plus tax. And our most popular is our double layer ceramic, our most heat resistant film. That's 780 plus tax. All of our films are 99% UV protection. They all come with a lifetime warranty. That warranty is good in all 50 states, and that warranty can be transferred one time. So if you were to sell the vehicle, you can transfer that warranty to the new owner.
I'm gonna call around and see to get some other prices, some other price quotes, and then I'll probably give you guys a call back.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Oh my God.
I feel tired after that.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
I think I waited almost as long as.
Why do I not go jump off a bridge again? No, but seriously, I'm not even trying to be funny.
I think we fully waited
I
almost
think
as
you
long.
said it perfectly. Like, I literally feel tired. It's true how someone's energy can just drain you. Like, she would rather be dead than answer that phone one more time. So what's interesting, and this is exactly why I had you call, your car doesn't have factory tint. You just don't know this.
Yeah.
You are made of stupid.
It's aftermarket tint on there. And I was wondering if she was going to say, no, that car literally does not come with factory privacy glass. That is aftermarket film on your car. It's just factory to you because you bought it that way.
Yeah.
So anyways, let's call the last shop.
Curtain Pros in Huntington Beach. This is Hayla. How can I help you?
Hey, I was wanting to get some tint on my car.
Gotcha. What kind of car do you have?
I have a 2019 Honda Civic Sport.
Perfect. And are you looking to tint all the sides and the back window?
Yes, please.
Gotcha. Sounds good for that. I would have time on Tuesday the 13th at 10 a.m. if that works for you.
Okay, I'm gonna go check my calendar and stuff like that and see if I'm available at that time. What are your guys' prices?
So for classic, our color stable dyed film, that is going to be $3.99. With Pinnacle, our single layer ceramic, it is going to be $5.99. And then for Stratos, our dual layer nano ceramic, it is $7.49.
And you said Tuesday at what time?
Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'm gonna call around some other shops and see what other stuff I can get, but I'll probably give you guys a call back and I'll see if I can confirm that time on Tuesday.
Sounds good.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hey, you too.
So clearly massive improvement in tonality. I think that's a perfect comparison, the last call versus that call,
Yeah.
just how your tone can make a difference.
Yeah.
Now,
That's
imagine
positive.
if she gave those 3 prices though, said classic $3.99, $4.20, $7.49. How's that sound? She didn't ask him anything. What I don't want anyone to do is give a price and then dead silence.
Well, I asked for the price because she didn't tell me at first. She just said time.
No, that was good.
Yeah.
That was good. The assumption close where she just said, yeah, I got time this day because you said I want to get 10 on my car.
Yeah.
You didn't ask for a price.
Yeah.
You said I want to get 10 on my car. So cool. You're not asking for a price. Why would you just give price if you're not asking?
Yeah.
So that was great. Yeah, the assumption closed.
Yeah.
Then you did ask for price. Then she gave price and just left silence.
Yeah.
What I've always suggested is asking, how's that sound? Or does that make sense? Or is that fair at the end of that? And then when you say that you're going to call around, I would ask, if you don't mind me asking, what is it that you're looking for? Are you looking for something cheaper? And try to figure out exactly what your objection is, or what are you looking for?
Yeah.
But other than that, she definitely did the best, given that didn't pick up. Sounded like they'd rather not be alive than be on the phone. She sounded like she was enjoying her day.
Hey, I was hoping to get my car tinted.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, when are you looking to get it done?
Maybe sometime next week.
Yeah, I can get you in pretty much any day next week still. See here. Do you have a specific day that works for you?
Wednesday?
Yeah, that works. Wednesday the 14th?
Yes. That should really work.
Yeah, and then what time works for you? I've got any time between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m.
I'll double check on that. What are your guys' prices?
So as far as the pricing and stuff goes on there, so we've got 3 different types of tint for you to choose from. What kind of vehicle was it?
A 2019 Honda Civic Sport.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, so looking to get all sides back done. You looking to get the windshield done as well?
Yeah, probably all sides in the back.
All sides and back, cool. So we have our basic non-ceramic window film. That's going to be 20 to 30% heat rejection. That one right there is going to be $199 for all sides and the back window. And then I've got my I've got my ceramic, which is a 50 to 60% heat rejection. That's going to be $319 for the sides and the rear. And then I've got my nano ceramic, which is a 90% heat rejection. That one right there is going to be $445 for all sides and rear.
Okay.
We can go as light or as dark as you want as well. It doesn't affect the price, nor does it affect the heat rejection.
Okay. What makes you guys different from other tint shops?
Pretty much, man, we're a big family-owned business out here. We've got thousands of 5-star reviews all over online and everything, man. We use a great quality of film as well, so we offer a lifetime warranty. So if our films ever fade, peel, bubble, any of that stuff, you always stay covered underneath the warranty. But yeah, so not a lot of companies out here are family-owned for one, or they usually don't guarantee their work very often.
I'm gonna call around and get some other price quotes, but and then I'll probably give you guys a call back about what time Wednesday I'd be available, if that works for you.
Yeah, sounds great, man. Absolutely.
All right, thank you very much.
Tonality was on point.
Yeah, he was good.
Every single solitary tint shop in the world is family owned and operated, so that's a big I don't know why he didn't bring up that he's the dealer of the year.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what makes him different right there. There can only be one dealer of the year.
But
everything else he said is totally generic, including the family owned and operated business. I mean, like, other than Tint World, even those are independently family owned and operated. There's no C corps that are tint shops. He could have improved on having the specific differentiator dialed in. In addition, going through the prices that way, it's just, if you'll notice, everyone goes through the prices in the same way. We have 3 films. Here are the 3 films. If you were legitimately calling around today to get a price quote for your car, everyone basically does the same thing. In door-to-door sales, they say you have to do something different than everyone else to stand out. So that's why I like saying we have something for every budget. Did you have a specific budget in mind? We have tons of different options. Yeah. Is there a time you can come down so we can show you all the different options? Yeah.
He did assume
we could mix and match too. Just keep this in mind. Everyone's giving you a good, better, and best. Well, what about mixing and matching? What about doing ceramic on the driver and passenger window where I sit and doing dyed around the back? What about shaved edges? What about our extended warranty? Like, we have so many things we need to go over. Is there a good time that works for you so you can come down, check out our facility, see some projects that we just completed, get to know you a little bit more, check out your car, and see if we can work something out? So, anyways, not a massive improvement on the best shops in the country versus some of the other shops we've called in the past.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep calling around until we can find shops that we can take something from and apply to our business, some shops that inspire us to be better on the phones, and the next time around we might even call our shop. But anyone watching this video, please don't hesitate to secret shop our shop here, which is 805-541-5533. Thank you, guys.